Gusto niyo bang malaman kung sino ang bagong love ko?
Ikaw lang talaga, ang lahat ay nasa'yo.
Ang perfect lang talaga.
Talaga, ang laman ng puso at isip ko.
Oo naman.
Natural kasi.
Pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit sana. Sino ang bagong love ko?
Lily's Peanut Butter.
We felt that it is the right time to venture into something new at what is a very tight competition right now. We want to take the brand to further heights of excellence. And the campaign is all about the band people share whenever they experience a love na walang katulad. Parang tayo, di ba? Na-in-love tayo ng walang katulad. A love you can only find with someone you've known for a long time. A love that will make you say, ikaw lang talaga, Liz.
Actually, ako, anytime, kita nyo naman sa akin, diba? So, na-adopt ng mga anak ko yon. Anytime na gusto nila ko, kahit madaling araw, midnight snack, ganyan. Hanggat meron kaming tinapay sa bahay, may Lily's. Sa pagkakaalala ko, mga 6 years old pa lang ako, kumakain na ako ng Lily's. So, ganun na katagal. It's been like 30 years. Yeah.
Actually, Liz has been around for 16 years now. Tumagal kami because it has grown to be a traditional staple food of Filipino households. Yung pioneering name of the industry has become synonymous with quality, taste, and affordability of price.
Pag lunch, yun ang baon ko. Yung Lily's, smooth, matamis, at natural.
Ang perfect lang talaga nung lasa.
Siguro number 1 talaga yung lasa. Nagustuhan talaga yun ng mga Pilipino. It has a distinct sweet creamy taste, well loved by Filipinos. And of course, it's made with all natural ingredients. No cholesterol, zero trans fat, and wala ding emulsifier and preservatives. So it's very healthy. Yes, we have new variants, the crunchy and the chocolate peanut butter, which cater to the new generation. So, yun, pang-bata naman siya. And also the existing yung classic peanut butter and cocoa jam. So, yun.
Abangan niyo ang bagong commercial namin ni Mama at first time po namin nagtrabaho magkasama. At sobrang excited po kami pareho.
Siyempre, first time namin ng anak ko, no, na magkasama. As in, first time ever to.
Of course, Caroline and Daniel are the right endorsers for us because they have a father and son bond that is still natural. Parang Lily's peanut butter, very natural. And we want to show how mothers can bond with their kids through a peanut butter that has been around for decades. And the tandem is also perfect in showing how the brand is connected to different generations as well.
Ikaw lang talaga. Lily's Peanut Butter.